Hello students, once again I am going to discuss lesson 2 exponents of class 8th. In previous video we will discuss about the exponents of rational numbers. In that we will discuss up to exercise 2a and question number 9. Today we will discuss from question number 10. Question number 10. Find the value of x for which 4 upon 9 its power 4 into 4 upon 9 its power negative 7 equal to 4 upon 9 its power 2x minus 1. This one is the question, children. 10. 4 upon 9 its power 4 into 4 upon 9 its power negative 7 equal to 4 upon 9 its power 2x minus 1. Children, 4 upon 9, 4 upon 9 and 4 upon 9. All three 4 upon 9 means these are the base of the exponents and all are equal. So here it is multiply. So we will add their exponents according to our identity. So 4 upon 9, its exponent 4 plus negative 7 equal to 4 upon 9, its exponent 2x minus 1. Here 4 and minus 7, it will become minus 3, and this one is as it is, but the base are equal, so we will cancel both the base. Minus 3 equal to 2x minus 1. Minus 3 and minus 1 this side, it will, when we will transfer in RHS, it will become plus 1 equal to 2x. Minus 2 equal to 2x, x equal to minus 2 upon 2 implies that x equal to minus 1 because 2 and 2 will be cancelled and negative, so it will be minus 1. Question number 11. By what number should minus 6 its exponent minus 1 be multiplied so that the product becomes 9 its exponent minus 1? Question number 11. Let the number is x, then minus 6 its exponent 1 into x, because we are taking the number is x, equal to 9 its exponent negative 1. So minus 6 reciprocal means minus 1 upon 6 into x equal to 1 upon 9. Then we will transfer minus 1 upon 6 opposite side, then it's reciprocal, and when we will cut, it will become this one 2 and here 3. Then x equal to minus 2 upon 3, and this is the answer. Now question number 12, just like question number 11, but on the place of multiplication, here it is divided. By what number should minus 2 upon 3 its exponent minus 3 be divided so that the quotient may be 4 upon 27 its exponent minus 2? Once again we will take that number is x. Now question number 12, let the number is x, means in this way we can write negative 2 upon 3 its power negative 3 divided by x equal to 4 upon 27 its exponent negative 2. Then if we will write in simple way, x equal to this divided by this, so this divided by this. Now we will change the sign of exponent negative. When we will remove the negative, it will become reciprocal. Minus 2 upon 3 will become minus 3 upon 2, and same here 4 upon 27 will become 27 upon 4. Now both the exponents are positive. Now x equal to negative 3 into negative 3 into negative 3 upon 2 into 2 into 2 divided by 27 into 27 upon 4 into 4. Now x equal to 3 3 ja 9 3 ja 27 upon 8. 27 to 27 cancel, and 4 2 and 2, then it will become 2. Now in numerator it is 2, but there is no factor in denominator. Then x equal to minus 2 upon 27, answer. Now last question of this exercise. If 5's exponent 2x plus 1 plus 25 equal to 125, find the value of x. This one is the question. 5, its exponent 2x plus 1 divided by 25 equal to 125. Now 5's exponent 2x plus 1 divided by 25, we can write 5's power 2, and 125 we can write 5's power 3. Then the next, this one is divide, so minus 2 here, 5's power 2x minus 1 plus 1 minus 2 equal to minus 1, and 5's power 3. Now when we will cancel the base, it will become 2x minus 1 equal to 3. Then 2x equal to 3 plus 1. Now x we will transfer to this side. Then x equal to 4 upon 2. So when we will do the cut short, it will become x equal to minus 2. So x equal to, not minus, this one, 2 upon 1 means 2. Answer is 2. Answer. Now children, after finishing this exercise, today I am going to discuss the next topic, that is numbers in standard form. First we will discuss what is the use of standard form and in which way we will assign that. The number written as m into 10's power n. In this form, when we will write, it will become standard form. Now standard form means we have to convert it into m into 10's power n. Suppose the digit is 3259. How we will convert into m into 10's power n form? Children, see carefully. First m means here only one digit we will keep in whole number and remaining all in decimal. So 3.259 and 10, and 10's power what we will keep. So here children, now decimal is written here, but it is hidden, so it is not assigned, and we have to move to this place. So how many place we are moving decimal from this to this? 1 2 3. So it is 10's power 3. In this way we can write the standard form. Students, we have to understand what is the use of standard form, why we are using standard form. So many times the standard form is required because these digits are very small, up to million, billion, these all are very small digits. After that there are so many digits. Suppose the length means the distance from earth to moon, earth to sun, the digits are very large and we are not able to read the place value. In that situation we have to assign the distance in this form. Because of that we are studying standard form. One more examples I am going to discuss. 3 to 5, 1 2 3 4 40. Then how we will write in standard form? In previous question also I told that what is the method? Only one digit we will keep in whole, means 3.25. We can write 0, but there is no need to write 0 in this. After decimal the value of 0 is nothing. So 3.25 into 10's power. What is the power? Our decimal is here, so we will count 1 2 3 4 5 6. So here the 10's power is 6. Now we will discuss exercise 2b. From question number 1, we have to convert in standard form. In question number 2, from standard form, we have to write in the as usual form. So from each one or two question I will solve, then remaining all questions are very easy, you can do yourself. Exercise 2b, first question, first part 57.36, we have to convert it into standard form. So what, only one digit we have to keep in whole and remaining all in decimal. So we have to write here 5.736 multiply 10. Now we have to decide what exponent we will keep. The decimal is here, but we keep the decimal here, means only one place we remove. So here the power will be 1, and power 1 is not required also, either write 1 or only 10. One more question. This one is the question 4 6 3 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0, means 10 times 0. 4.63 into 10's power what, we will count from here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So here we have to write 10's power 12. This is the method to convert the digit in standard form. In question number 2, it is previously in standard form and we have to write in the number in usual form. 3.74 into 10's power 5 means 374, and how much 0 we have to keep, we will count here. Here is 5, but in decimal 2 digits, so remaining 3 0 we have to keep here. 1 2 3. Now check 1 2 3 4 5. In between 3 and 7 the decimal is kept here, so 1 2 3 4 5, here is 5, so our answer is right. In this way we can convert the standard form in as usual number. Now here we will discuss, children, 0.3325 means this one is the negative exponent of standard form. So what is our duty? Means according to this one digit will be in whole, so that method we will apply here also. 325 into 10. Now we will discuss about the power. If we will discuss from this place to this place, means right to left it's moving, so this one is positive exponent. Now from left to right it will move, means only one digit we have to move here, so it one is -1. The next one is 0.000232. This one we will convert, means decimal we have to keep 2.32 into 10's power. Now we have to count from left to right, 1 2 3 4. 4 digits we have to move the decimal, so here it will be -4. In this way we can solve all the questions of this exercise. All the questions are very easy, children. If you will feel any difficulty, you can ask the question to me, then once again I will explain or I will solve your doubts. Now we are going to finish this lesson, exponent. This is enough for this video. Once again with new chapter I will come back in Green Gate Mathematics and solve your doubt, and I will make more and more lessons. Thank you, children.